Hey y'all, welcome back to a vlog. To your particular vlog, you all. I have a haul, Amazon Prime sale, but I did purchase some stuff off of Amazon just so my daughter can go ahead and leave me alone because I ordered something for her turtles and it's not your turtle stuff, sorry. I got this particular roll mic for this here camera, so what I'm gonna do, I am going to pull this out and let's try it out while I finish the rest of this hair haul. Alright, so right now I have on no mic. Turn back on my camera, I will have on the mic so we can see if it's a big difference. If not, it will go back. I'm trying to open it really nicely so I won't mess it up. Go ahead and open this and attach this to my camera. Kind of big. Oh my god, look how big this is. Work, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I do have my mic plugged in, so let's see if it's a difference. My next item, I got these here glasses to wear on my no makeup days. Okay, cute. Here are like blue light glasses. Like wear when I don't want to, when I want to look a little put together. See how these look. So I got these, and then you all asked from Touchland. Well, I got this off of Amazon, but it's for my Touchland hand sanitizers off of Amazon because it was, of course, free shipping if you have Prime. Here is the hand sanitizer. They have a lot more on Touchland hands website, but I didn't want to pay for shipping, you all. So, my gosh, like look how cute. I may have to get my daughter one so she can attach to her book bag, or I may just give her this and then just purchase another one. But this was cute. I think this was like $5. Last but not least, you all, as far as Amazon, is in this here box. And it sounds like it's moving around, and that don't sound too good, y'all. Then another box, so that's a good thing. So okay, so I did purchase, I forgot I purchased these. I did purchase these here. Jemiah, you can have one if you want one. These here things for face powder. I have some, but I wanted the ones that were shaped like a triangle so it can get up in the corners. With that setting powder, honey, like, yes. I got a set of 6. A little thick. I don't know. I'm gonna have to go look and see if it has some that's a little thinner. But yeah, I got this here. These here. Those for my under eye. I like to set my under eye because what I was using is a little big and thick. Here's that box that was in the box. I don't know. Since it's hot, I have been drinking a lot more iced coffee, and I like to bring my iced coffee with me on my way to work. I saw these here glasses, so I'm gonna see if my daughter likes to make smoothies and she likes to drink boba tea. I like the fact that the straw is nice and fat. Now I do wish it was clear, because honey, if you do not clean your straws, it can have a whole lot of this and that in the inside. The fact that it comes with this here cleaning straw. This is a pretty good size because I was looking for something, like I said, to place my coffee in work. I was using that Starbucks cup that changed colors. That ended up cracking, so then I had like a whole set of colorful cups and I was using that. But I don't know, I just saw this at a good price. I think it was like $14.99 for a set of 4. So I was like, okay. And I think it said 24 ounces, which I need because I have to have something 16 and up. These here were 24 ounces, so I was like, okay, you got a set of 4. So that was everything I got from Amazon, you all. And if y'all don't know, sure you know, but if you don't know, the Barbie movie is coming out July 21st. I ended up finding some Barbie merch at Ross and Walmart and Fashion Nova, I don't want to say Barbie merch, but they were like the pink Barbie color pants. She ordered some for her daughter, and I was like, oh, these are cute. So I ended up ordering myself some. That grew up playing with Barbie. Like I had the Barbie house, the Barbie jacuzzi pool where you used to press the button and the little bubbles would come out. I had the Barbie Jeep. I had the Barbie storage thing. I had Barbie clothes. I had everything. Like I was a Barbie girl. So I'm like over excited for this particular movie. But she wasn't into Barbies as much as I was. But when I tell you I was Barbie as a little girl. I got this here shirt from Walmart. And this here was $9.98. I'm not sure if I'm gonna wear this shirt or this next shirt I'm gonna show you. This here sweatshirt from Ross. And this was $13.99. So my outfit was supposed to be this here sweatshirt with these here pink pants I'm gonna show you. Then when I went to Walmart today, I saw that shirt, so I was just like, and it's kind of like similar. So I was just like, we'll wear the Barbie sweatshirt maybe into the movies, and then coming out, I'll probably put on the shirt, because of course after coming out the movies, it's gonna be way too hot to wear that sweatshirt. So that's probably what I may end up doing. Ended up getting this shirt. This wasn't my favorite, but it was Barbie. And I got this here from Ross. It was $7.99. This is my first time ever purchasing something from Fashion Nova. I'm sure on the size, and I'm glad my Sephora friend helped, because I didn't know what size to get in pants. That's why I never really purchased from Fashion Nova. So I ended up getting a size 9 because they didn't have like an 8 or a 6 or whatever. Like, okay, she said they were stretchy because she bought her daughter some. So I was like, okay, let me try the 9. The 9, because I think if I would have went any higher than a 9, it would have been like gapping in the back. When I tell you they fit like a glove, and they are so different, y'all. You see, they got like little buckles, or what are they? They got like, I don't know, they different. Barbie pink, like, oh my gosh, like I cannot wait to wear my cute Barbie outfit. Like I wish I had a Barbie hat like this, because I would have wore that too, because I don't know, I've been loving wearing hats with my ponytail swinging from side to side. Ended up getting these here Uggs from Ross for $24.99. And I was going to get them for my daughter, but she was like, no, I don't want them. I was like, girl, you don't turn down Uggs, not for $24.99. Like, they are legit Uggs. And they were $24.99. I don't have any, like, white sneakers or anything, so I don't know. I was thinking about just maybe putting these here on with that outfit so it can make me a little taller. Kind of got a little height to it. So, see, let me show you. This is me with my other Uggs on. So, when I put these on, I feel like it makes me taller, as you can see. So I was thinking of wearing these particular shoes at Sephora, and on Sephora.com they are selling this here Barbie set from Glow Recipe, y'all. When I tell you, when I saw this in the back in newness, I grabbed it so fast. I got it because of the packaging. I need the stuff in the inside, but again, I got it because of the packaging. Let me open it because I didn't never open it. It's like $30 or $31 with tax. $31. So here is the set. They kind of look like deluxe sizes. So like I said, I got it because of the whole Barbie thing. So last but not least, I got something from Chanel. As you can see, it's something really small, and you may already know, but if you don't know, I'm about to show you. Let me just say really quick, working at Sephora Avalon, I have built relationships with a lot of different managers from different stores like Lululemon, Chanel, L'Occitane. There's a few other stores, y'all. When I tell you, especially when I went into Chanel, it was like, hey, I haven't seen you in a while, Miss Tamika. And she gave me a hug, and I was telling her what I was coming in to get. So she threw this little extra little bonus because the sample that I was supposed to get was this. But she was like, girl, for you, I'm going to go in the back and get you a nicer sample. So she ended up getting me this here cute little Chanel sample. And I'm not a big Chanel fragrance person because I don't know. To me, they just give me like older women vibes, if you get what I'm saying. See if this is a scent that I would like. We do carry Chanel at our particular location, but I don't know, I just haven't been loving anything from Chanel. So I'm gonna see if I like this particular scent. So gave me this one. It's got this here. Where is it? Oh, I think I put it in my bag. Let me go grab it. I had to grab a mirror, and the crazy thing about it is I had got an email when it first came out on the Chanel website, and I didn't think nothing of it. I didn't think nothing of it because of the fact that I was like, okay, it's a mirror, a brush set, and I think a fingernail file or something. So I was just like, okay, whatever. But of course, when you constantly watching Instagram videos and TikTok videos, they made me go and purchase. Now, I didn't know until I went into the actual Chanel store that the light pink was a online exclusive. So, of course, I missed out on that. I was able to get this one. It kind of looks like a reddish pink, or I don't know the color. It's giving me red vibes, but I think it's, what color is this? 143 Diva. I love the name. So yeah, I just grabbed this. This mirror was a little pricey. Better, but y'all know how it is here on this channel. Did I need it? Absolutely not. I just got it because of the limited edition color. Also, to go along with the whole Barbie pink theme. That was my really quick haul. Wear any of the Chanel perfumes. Let me know down below y'all favorites so I can maybe go and try them out to see, because y'all, when I tell you, I haven't found a scent that I'm like, oh my gosh, I need to purchase. If I have any that y'all love, again, let me know down below. Ooh, I think that's it. I'm in this house cleaning. I'm off for 2 days, thank God. I needed the 2 days off. So yeah, I'm gonna probably start cleaning. I am washing my sheets and the clutter, my closet area, but I just haven't gotten over it today. I think I may do that when I'm off for, I think I'm off for 4 days, y'all. Yeah, so I think I may do it then instead of trying to do everything tomorrow. So I may go ahead and do that when I'm off a few days. Keep this video short and sweet, because I don't want it to be long in this here video. So please don't forget to click on that subscribe button and that notification bell so you can be notified each week. That's right, each week your girl uploads videos. And until next time, and there will be a next time, I will talk to you later. Bye.